Well, welcome friends to lesson 3.5. So like I said yesterday, if a grown-up was able to print these out for you, then super, you can follow along with everything I'm doing. And if not, and you're just following along on a blank sheet of paper, that is totally fine. Just do your best to do what I'm doing on my paper onto your blank sheet. So this first part we can all do really easy together. It says, show 7 counters. So let's go ahead and do our 7 counters. 5, 6, 7. There are my 7 counters. And then, it says show 1 more. So if I want to show 1 more, am I going to take 1 away? Or am I going to add another? Good, I'm going to add 1 more. More means greater, means bigger, so I'm going to add 1 more. Then it wants to know, how many do I have now? Let's see, I had 7. What's 1 more than 7? If you're not sure, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, there are 8 counters. Okay, our next page. At this point, we'd be using our counters if we were at school, but we aren't at school, so we're just going to do our best just to look. So, it wants us to count the counters and then trace the number. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ahead, trace that 8. Okay. It says, how many more than 5 is 8? So let's look. We had 5 in our full 5 frame, right? And then it wants to know how many more did we need to make 8. So we had our 5 here in the 5 frame. And then we needed how many more outside of the 5 frame. There are 1, 2, 3 counters outside of the 5 frame. So we needed 5 and 3 more. In the bottom question, it wants us to show 8 counters in the 10 frame. Remember what I told you, friends, about filling in the whole top row before you go down to the bottom. So there I have 5, 6, 7, 8 counters in my 10 frame. Alright, if we were at school, we would be using our counters, and I'd be asking friends how many reds and yellows they wanted to use. So that's okay. I'll just model it here for you, and you can follow along with me. So I'm going to say, let's start with 1 red. So I'm trying to make what number? I'm trying to make 8. So there I have 1, and I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are my 8 counters. All right. So I started with how many red counters? Just 1. And to make my 8, how many yellows did I have to add? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 red and 7 yellow make how many? Good, 8. All right. We're going to... There we go. We're going to move these off. Whoa. Okay, let's see. This time, why don't we start with 3 red. 1, 2, 3. All right, and remember, I'm trying to make what number, friends? Good, the number 8. So am I done? So I'm going to keep counting and adding yellow. You tell me when to stop. Ready? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Yes, I can stop right here. So I had how many red? I had 1, 2, 3 red. And I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow. So 3 red and 5 yellow make how many? Good, 8. Alright, we will clear these off again. I tell you what, friends, this is a lot easier with real counters, huh? Alright, let's see. Let's start with... Let's do 4 red. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, am I done? I can stop right there? No, I can't. I have to make 8. So just like last time, you tell me when to stop. Ready? So I already have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, yep, I'm going to stop right there. All right. So we had how many red? 1, 2, 3, 4 red. And I had 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow. So 4 red and 4 yellow makes how many all together? Good, 8. All right, last one. Move these off again. All right, let's see. Let's do 6 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red. Am I finished? Am I trying to make 6? No, I'm trying to make 8, so I have to keep going. I've got 6 red, 7, 8. There, I have 8 counters. So let's see, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red. And how many yellow did I have? Good, 2. And I was making this whole time 1 and 7, 3 and 5, 4 and 4, 6 and 2 all make what number? Good, 8. So go ahead and trace that number 8 right up by your 10 frame. I know that this, friends, is a lot easier to do when we have our own counters and we're able to make these ourselves, so I appreciate you trying your best with the video. Alrighty, it says, Dave sorted sets of balls by color. Count the balls in each set. Which sets show 8? Circle those. So go ahead, when I say now, you're going to pause me, you're going to count each group of, I think they're tennis balls, and circle the groups that show 8. So get ready to pause me and do that right now. All right, friends, so you are back from counting and circling your groups. So let's see, if I count the blue balls, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to circle those. Let's count the green ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another set of 8. All right, the red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, only 6. All right, last but not least, the orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I circled the blue, the green, and the orange ball. So I hope you did too. Down at the bottom, you are going to draw me, let's see, 8 smiley faces. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are my 8 smiley faces. I hope to see your smiley faces too. Oh, look, friends, how cool. A little heart for you. Alrighty, friends, I will, well, not see you, but I will talk to you about your next math lesson tomorrow. I hope you guys are finding this okay to do and it's not too tricky without our math bins. I know. I wish I could have sent your math bins home with you, if only. But we are all just doing our best, aren't we, friends? Alrighty, I will chat with you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.